In this video, we will be showing you how to remove the base on all Fujimarca Mc709SE machines. Remove all 4 pieces of the 12mm bolts that is securing the base. Once that is removed, the base will come off of the machine. Sometimes you may need to shake it a bit for it to come loose due to the paint that may be attached to it. To install a new base, you simply attach the bolts from underneath the base. It's recommended to attach and tighten the bolts in a crisscross sequence to guarantee the pressure is distributed equally between the bolts, thereby reducing any potential warping, loss of preload in a bolt. Thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any further questions.